Food warmer. A food warmer is typically a tabletop device used to maintain the serving temperature of prepared food. It is used both in homes and restaurants. Home use. When used domestically, such as with fondue, a food warmer may simply be a small vessel containing food upon a trivet which contains a heat source such as a flame or electric element. Some food cookers can then, in essence, become food warmers as they use a reduced heat to maintain a serving temperature. Electric rice cookers do this automatically. A multicooker is an electric kitchen appliance for automated cooking using a timer. In addition to cooking programs, a multicooker may have functions to keep food warm. Some electric-powered personal-sized food coolers have a setting that serves to warm food inside of the cooler. These are typically marketed as cooler/warmers. Commercial use. Commercial food warmers are used in restaurants as well as outdoor food carts. In restaurants and hotels they may operate the same way, but on a larger scale. Buffets commonly use large, stainless steel containers with a sterno-fuel source. Restaurants also use steam tables to keep multiple vessels warm at once. These have a large, shallow body of water that is kept at a certain temperature with pans of food placed on top, typically rectangle stainless steel. East Asia in particular uses steam tables in restaurants, and notably portable ones to keep bamboo steamers containing dim sum dishes hot. A flameless ration heater is a flameless chemical heater used to heat some types of meal, ready-to-eat entrees. List of food warmers. This is a list of food warmers. Some may also serve as cookers. Bain-marie, chafing dish, 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 chafing dish. Crock pot, fondue, multicooker. Some have a warming setting. Rice cooker, steam table, gallery. Food warmers.